Are you serving clients who would never dream of impulse buying a course or sitting through a webinar? Congrats! Most marketing advice is completely useless for your world. I'm Dr. Michelle Mazur, the Communication Rebel, and I help consultants and service providers who work with real world clients. Think corporate, professionals, traditional and micro businesses. Finally, get marketing that fits. Today, I'll show you how to build a steady pipeline of great clients without chasing likes, funnels, or trying to be everywhere online. If you want a smarter, simpler way to market, grab my free 7-day crash course, Market Like an Expert. It shows you how to do less and get better clients. The link is in the description of this video. If your clients aren't online business junkies, almost everything you've been taught about marketing is wildly off base. There are two business systems: the online business ecosystem and the real world ecosystem. Most advice that you see out there, whether it's LinkedIn or even here on YouTube, it's designed for people selling to other online business owners, folks who do launches, lead magnets, and 90-minute webinars. And your client, they are not in that online business ecosystem. They want to be marketed to, and they absolutely buy differently. So your clients tend to be corporate leaders, established professionals, micro business owners, and people in the real world with real problems. And they hire based on referrals, reputations, and real conversations, not sales pages, swipe file, and social media. So if you've ever felt like you are bad at marketing, you're not. You've just been handed the wrong playbook. I recently was talking to an executive coach who did everything right in 2025 and all in investing in funnels, webinars, endless content to post on LinkedIn. And nothing worked for her because her clients were professionals working in organizations, and they would never respond to that. But when she focused on reconnecting with real world colleagues and building relationships, she booked new clients, no reels, no midnight emails, no stressing about what she should say in her weekly email broadcast. There's a reason why online tactics flop with real world clients. You've heard the advice to post more on social media to get clients. Well, that is crap, my friend. Those real world clients aren't looking for you on social. If they are there, they're looking at cute cat videos or doom scrolling the news, not looking for where their next consultant is going to come from. If your lead magnets aren't marked, guess what? Executives, professionals, heck, even parents don't want more emails clogging their inbox. They want expertise. They want a person who can solve their problem, not free downloads. And if you thought, okay, launches are going to be the way I get my people, forget about it. Executives buy when a need actually arises, not when the clock runs out. And webinars? Most would rather walk into the sun than sit through a thinly disguised pitch, when they would much rather just book a simple call with you to talk about their needs. The bottom line, if your audience isn't in the online business world, online tactics just don't cut it. So, where do your best clients really come from? Are they coming from a complex funnel or a simple recommendation? Leave a comment. I'd love to know. So, finally, here is what actually works. You have to make yourself referable and hireable. Most consultants are so obsessed with their solution that they don't talk about the problem they solve. And so having a clear marketing message is a prerequisite to marketing to people in the real world. And there is a video that explains exactly what a marketing message is, and I have linked that below. And you need clear messaging because without it, people don't know who to send your way. Your clients don't know that you solve their problem, and people refer you based on problems, not on your solution. Secondly, build real relationships, not followers. You do not need to play the social media game. You do not need to be creating free content for billionaires who don't care if anyone sees your content at all. Going all in on relationships, especially when you've made yourself referable, is one of the best ways to get new clients and, frankly, some really cool business friends. Third, show your authority in the right spaces. Speaking, podcasts, direct outreach. Show what makes you an expert so people know to trust you. And finally, make it frictionless to serious prospects to reach out to you and have a real conversation next, not when the next launch happens. We put too many hoops for our potential clients to jump through when really they want to know if you can help them and they want to have a real conversation. If you are ready to quit marketing like an online business influencer and finally get hired like the expert you are, grab your spot in my free Market Like an Expert crash course. The link is below this video. So if you're ready to do less, get that free course and let your expertise do the heavy lifting. I'll see you in your inbox.